Hey everyone, today we're at Horseshoe Bay Car Wash in the Horseshoe Bay, Texas, which is a resort area, which is pretty cool. And over here we got a car wash. Can you believe it? Nearby to a resort and it has like some car wash, a gas station, a supermarket. Well, this is way special because we got a Petit. My very first Petit, AquaTrack 360. This is gonna be so cool. Experience that for the very first time. So let's go and walk through it. Over here we got your pay station. This is very interesting, the pay station. You got your undercarriage, including your side blasters. Over here, wow, this thing is big. Wow, big machine. We got your arm, as long as your top arch arm. We got your drain hole, virtual treadle. I think that's your status sign. And we go over here, we got your dryers. They are Premier. And over here, we got your like cable supports and everything. I think this thing talks because there's a speaker. All right, let's go ahead and pay the wash. All right, let's go ahead and see what they have. Let's select options. We got the bronze for the 10, the silver for the 13, and the gold for the 15. So we're gonna go for that.
Please enter payment now.
Okay, we're gonna go at this tap pay, I think.
Your payment is being processed now.
Okay.
Thank you for your purchase. Please enter the wash when it is available.
Oh wow, look, this thing moved. That is so cool. Okay, there's the receipt, and let's go through the wash. All right, let's go into the wash. Wow, look at the wash status sign, by the way. Look, that is so high tech, guys. This is very high tech. Here we go. Blasters. Forward. Yep. Stop. Hey, that's cool. Pre-soak. Wow, I love the status sign of this thing. It's so cool. All right. Let the wash begin. Here we go. My first Petit. This is going to be awesome. Oh, look at that. We got a 360 camera too on this thing. Very nice coverage of pre-soak. Whoa! Oh my god, that thing is strong! Hell yes! Heck yes, there we go. Wow, this thing is shaking the car like crazy. Wow, that was awesome. Now we can try phone. By the way, we only get a single coverage, single pass of pre-soak, but I think that's kind of like a double pass. Very awesome coverage of tri-foam. Wow. Here we go again. Oh my god, this is awesome. Wow, that was quick. Where are we in the spot free rinse? Wow, this car wash is so flawless. Oh my god. Even high pressure spot free rinse, yo. This is the most powerful wash I ever filmed on YouTube. Now we should get the dryers. You dry forward. There we go. There are premier dryers. Yeah. Alright, let's see how they do. Dryers are doing a really good job. Premier are great dryers. There's no dry time. Oh, there it is. We got 46 seconds on the clock. It's drying really well. My hurry. Somebody's entering the wash. Okay, that guy better not tailgate us. Alright, that's it. Wow, that was the best car wash I ever been to. And that was actually really quick too. Like, I am very impressed with the amount of pressure this thing had. I don't know about the... Yep, this stupid parking sensor on the Audi. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the after results. Did a really nice job. There's somebody entering right now. Okay. Wow, it did a super clean job. You know what? I don't know what to tell you guys, but this is going to be my first 10 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10 for this car wash. My first 10 out of 10 of a car wash, because this car wash did an amazing job. Pressure was so strong and everything. Over here we got your manual base and your 2 vacuum. Thanks for watching for this amazing car wash. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.